Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another spring project. Today we're making these cute bunny coasters. These super simple drink coasters are an easy way to protect your tabletop or desktop for Easter and spring. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com, where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this project with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable templates. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own bunny coasters today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric, batting, pinking shears, and the printable template. First, cut out the paper templates. If making a matching set of coasters, place the bunny fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the layer of batting. Then fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Then arrange the bunny templates on the fabric at least ½ inch from the fabric's edge and pin in place. Rough cut around the bunny templates about ½ inch from the paper's edge. Now, if you're using different fabrics for each of your coasters, place a piece of the fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down and add a layer of batting on top. Place another piece of fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center a bunny template in the stack and pin it in place. No matter whether you're making a matching set or different colors in your set, stitch the bunnies together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Do make sure your needle is in the down position when you're pivoting at the points, and take your time on the curves. Use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim 1/4 inch to ½ inch outside the stitching lines. Make sure you're using some extra caution when cutting those inside points. And just like that, just that fast, we have these cute bunny drink coasters to decorate and use for your Easter, spring event, or garden party. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one, with digital patterns that you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.